The Kettle 1.7-litre electric kettle is built for everyday reliability. With powerful 2,200-watt heating, it boils water quickly for tea, coffee or cooking. The 304 stainless steel interior supports clean-tasting water, paired with a removable metal mesh filter for easy maintenance. The fully removable lid provides wide opening access, making refilling and interior cleaning simple and convenient. Automatic shutoff and dry boil protection add safety, while the 360-degree cordless base allows smooth, flexible pouring. Practical, safe, and designed to perform every single day.